Hello, my friends, and welcome to our next camping adventure. Cheers. Oh, I'm excited. This is a beautiful day. It gives us a chance to get out, just detach from things, unwind, and relax. So, my friends, let's all buckle up. Grab a beverage of choice, and let's get down to that campground. You folks take care, and I'll see you when we get there. Let's go. Well, we made it down here, my friends, and we got Red all tucked in. And man, I might have pulled back a little far, but this is a deep campsite. Holy catfish. Let's take a walk back here. And this is nice back here. Holy cow. There's our picnic table for tonight. And our little fire ring. But I'm pretty impressed with this campsite. Oh my goodness. Oh, and you see back there where someone had put a tent. We got a big old bear spot back there. But this is pretty nice. So my friends, I'm going to grab a chair. Let's have a seat. Oh my gosh. This is so peaceful back here right now. So we'll catch up in a second. Cheers to you, my friends. Just been enjoying some of this peace and quiet back here, listening to the sounds of nature. There was a squirrel yelling at us a while ago, but he settled down. But it is so peaceful back here. Oh, I feel very fortunate this week, considering the week we had last week. Holy catfish. I just heard something jump behind us. It must be squirrels. And we do have some other campers here in the campground, but not too many. Back here in the primitive sites. The electric sites is a different story, because right now it's about 72 degrees and it's going to get down to in the lower 40s tonight. But we'll be just fine back of Red. I mean, that temperature, I'm not too concerned until it gets below 32. But for dinner tonight, I ran across something in the grocery store last week. We don't see it very often, but they had bison patties. So I thought, holy catfish. Let's make up some bison cheeseburgers tonight, maybe with a little bit of corn on the cob. Oh, it just sounded like a real winner. So my friends, I do want to thank you all for coming along on my little camping adventures. I have a lot of fun doing this. It gives us a chance to get out and detach and relax, just get away from things for a while. Kind of, for me personally, it's kind of like a reset button. That way I'm a little bit more prepared for the next week. But anyway, my friends, I'm going to enjoy some of this peace and quiet for a while. So I think what I'm going to do is grab my book out of Red, because we got about an hour till dinner. And, just relax. So everybody out there, appreciate y'all coming along. Y'all take care, and we'll catch back up when it's time to get dinner going. Are you kidding me? Well, that's weird. My friend, someone left us 12 cents. We got a nasty looking dime and a couple of pennies. Ah, strange thing. Well, let's get set up and get dinner going here. All right, well, first thing we need to do, my friends, is we need to get some water on the boil for that corn. I don't think the burgers are going to take too awful long to cook up, so we're going to get that going. There we go. All right, give me a few minutes. We'll get everything else set up and ready to go. Ah, we got time. Got water to boil. Our water's boiling. That took a minute. We'll turn that heat down just a little bit. We'll get our corn in there, get it going. Yep, there we are. Running out of room already and just started. Come on now, grabbing the bag. There we go. All right, now, trash. I went ahead and opened up the little package. This is comes with 2 patties, or natural ground bison patties. I went ahead and opened up the package because it doesn't have any kind of pull apart thing. You got to take a knife and it is what it is. Let's first of all, let's get some heat going on this pan. Turn, dude. There we go. Start warming it up. And I just want to start warming it up. There we go. Now take our salt. We got a gnat flying around me. Well, that just happened. Ugh. Come apart now. There we go. At least they got little dividers in there. That's nice. Give it a shot of salt. A shot of pepper. Let's move that handle just a little bit. There we go. Take this guy out carefully. Place him in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten them out just a little bit better. And so this pan is a little bit bigger than my cast iron. That's why I brought this one, because I want to flatten these jokers out just a little bit. There we go. And got my fingers off. Do the same thing to this guy. Lay him in there. these two just fit. There we go. Now we'll salt and pepper both of these and get to cooking. Y'all take care, and we'll be back directly. All right, my friends, I wanted some tomato on there, so I got that all cut up. We're waiting on this. And we get our cheese on here, and then we can plate up here in a minute. I'm getting hungry, and the sun's setting fast. Oh my gosh, I can't get used to this whole time change thing, or shorter days, I should say. Go ahead and turn the corn off. We did it, my friends. Cheers. Watch that handle. Well, I'm gonna knock something over yet today, I'll tell you what. Well, let's finish putting these jokers together. Let's throw some tomato in there. Cut them a little thicker than I usually like, but that's all right. Oh, and I forgot to mention, these are brioche buns. Since we're having Bison cheeseburger, I thought I'm gonna go a little bit fancy on that. And I did this instead of bringing a whole daggone head of lettuce. There we go. No, there we go. All right, just set you to the side. Put some mayo on there. Whoops. I'll tell you, whoever designed this picnic table did not do a very good job, because this part is the seat and where the actual dining area is, there's some distance there. All right, we got those set, pretty much. Get some extra mayonnaise off there. There we go. And we'll grab, I left these in the water just to keep them warm. We'll grab one out of here. Woo! Make sure I got a good grip on that. All right, keep that one warm. That guy down there. Oh, he might need to cool off for a minute. Put some butter on this guy. Try to. It's going everywhere but on the corn. It's hot. Well, I'm just going to let that joker sit and cool for a little bit. But let's get into the star of the show here. Watch out there, Nat. You don't get none. You may be small, but I'm not sharing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's amazing. Holy catfish. Oh, that is so good. And I can just barely, I got that tomato a little thick. I can barely bite it. Wow, that is fantastic, my friends. Holy catfish. Well, I'm going to let that corn cool down a little bit before I get into that. But I appreciate y'all coming along so far. Holy cow, I can't get over. These burgers are fantastic. You know, just a little bit of salt and pepper. It's amazing. Well, my friends, I'm going to eat dinner, and then we'll get a fire going because we're losing daylight fast. Oh, the corn came out perfect too. It's cool enough to bite now. Okay, everybody, we better get this campfire going. I got most of the dinner mess cleaned up, and man, we were just losing daylight fast. So let's get this joker going. What the heck? I got a roll of tape in here. How'd that happen? Oh, probably reorganizing something. So let me toss this over here. There we go. Oh, that was a good dinner. Probably talk about that again. I got a new one. The other one's just getting tough to get to. My gosh, it is still so quiet. There we go. That should do. Off my finger. Whoosh, right up. All right, my friends, let me tend to this a little bit and finish cleaning up dinner, and we can have a seat. Try not to knock it over. Perfect. My friends, this fire has been cantankerous, let me tell you. I've been fighting it here for a little bit. Woo! Stood up just in time. Holy catfish. I think the whole bottom down there is pretty damp. We've had a lot of rain here this past week. Oh, that's nice to sit down and relax. I've been hoofing back and forth a good bit, getting our dinner mess cleaned up and fighting with this joker. Wow, finally got it going fairly decent. I'm happy with that. And our sun's setting, and other than the odd vehicle noise here and there, man, it has been so peaceful here at this campground. I'm just sitting here listening to the crickets. The sun is setting. Well, I'd say it's set. Oh, but dinner was fantastic. Wow. Ate too much. Didn't eat both those jokers. No, couldn't. I got about 1 1/3 and I was done. So fortunately, in my little tote I bring with my kitchen stuff, I always carry some little Ziploc baggies. So that joker's in the cooler. For some odd reason, I want a snack later tonight, or wake up in the middle of the night and I'm hungry. I'm covered. Oh, cheers to you, my friends. This has been a really good trip, I must say. We got a very fortunate campsite, in my opinion. We're tucked back in here. Our neighbors are pretty much in the next loop over, and the electric is on the other end of the campground. You got to kind of drive by it to get back here, so I know it's pretty full. So my friends, what I'm going to do is I want to relax by this fire. It's going to get dark here real soon, and but I'm going to enjoy it. I mean, we don't have any right now. It's really nice. It's cool. We don't have a bug issue, so I'm going to enjoy this campfire a little extra campfire time tonight. So everybody out there, appreciate y'all coming along on this little camping adventure. That's been a really good one. So everybody out there, y'all take care. I'll see you in the morning. Oh. It is a little chilly this morning, my friends. Whew. Good morning, campers. Cheers, my friends. We have somewhat of a flurry of activity in the park this morning. I can hear some machinery that fired up a little bit ago off in the distance. Seen a bunch of DNR vehicles driving back and forth here in front of this little camping loop. So, who knows what's going on. It's part of park maintenance. I wish they'd just start a little later in the morning. Wish they had change their schedule a little bit. But obviously we're getting more and more, or less and less, daylight. Holy catfish. I mean, sunset snuck up on me yesterday. But, dinner was fantastic. We got to spend a little extra time by the campfire last night. I like this time of year. It started to cool down. We saw one gnat. That was about it. Oh, so that was great. But it was definitely cool when we got up this morning. Had to break out the jacket. And I didn't realize how cool it was getting. We spent some extra time by the campfire last night. And, once it died down and I got up and was getting ready to hop in red, I was like, wow, I can really feel a temperature difference. Well, my friends, I just want to say how much I appreciate you coming along on my little camping journeys. I truly do. I have a lot of fun doing this, and this was a really good trip. We got a chance to get out and relax, some peace and quiet, well, for pretty much till this morning. Well, anyway, my friends, you all take care. And as always, I'll see you soon.